Welcome to Agoracom Small Cap Breaking News.
Yeah.
Your daily go-to source for the best small cap headlines for over 65 million investors since 2007.
Wow.
Today is February 24th, 2025.
Okay.
And we're diving into some market-moving news from across a range of sectors.
All right.
These companies might be small, but the numbers they're putting up are huge.
So true.
First up,
Yeah.
Happy Belly Food Group, Inc.
Okay.
They trade on the CSE under the symbol HBFG and on the OTCQB under HBFGF.
I got it.
They're big news today.
Yeah.
A major expansion of their Heal Wellness brand.
That's right. Happy Belly announced they've signed a 10-unit area development agreement for Saskatchewan.
Wow.
This brings the total number of committed Heal Wellness locations to 110 across 4 Canadian provinces.
In a statement, Happy Belly CEO Sean Black said, "The health and wellness sector is one of the most dynamic and rapidly expanding areas in the QSR industry. With Saskatchewan now becoming the 4th province to sign an area development agreement for Heal Wellness, our brand's total units with area developers and franchisees have reached 110. We plan on further accelerating our committed expansion plans in 2025.
You know what I find particularly interesting here is their choice of partner for this expansion.
Oh, yeah?
Happy Belly is working with Stephen Travers to spearhead their move into Saskatchewan.
Okay.
Travers has a long history in the QSR space. He's developed over 165 locations in his career.
Definitely a sign that Happy Belly is thinking strategically about this growth.
Definitely.
Now let's turn our attention to PyroGenesis, Inc.
Right.
Listed on the TSX as PYR, OTCQX is PYRGF, and FRA is 8PY. This morning, they announced a major contract win.
A $1.63 million contract, to be exact.
Wow.
That's about $2.4 million with Norsk Hydro ASA, one of the world's largest aluminum producers. This deal is all about bringing PyroGenesis's cutting-edge plasma technology into aluminum casthouse operations.
PyroGenesis CEO Peter Pascali said, "Hydro is not just one of the largest aluminum companies in the world, but also a leader in industrial sustainability. Partnering with them is a testament to the credibility and effectiveness of our plasma solutions."
What's really exciting about this technology is its potential for decarbonization.
Yeah.
The aluminum industry is a significant emitter of greenhouse gases, and PyroGenesis is offering a solution that could significantly reduce that impact.
Now, for a company that's literally digging up treasure,
Let's hear it.
Omai Gold Mines Corp., they trade on the TSX Venture Exchange under OMG, and on the OTCQB as OMGGF. They've struck gold again at their Omai Gold project in Guyana.
And this isn't just any discovery. Drill hole 24ODD095 at the Gilt Creek deposit revealed a 774-meter interval of gold mineralization.
Wow.
To put that in perspective, this expands the known gold-rich Omai stock laterally by 200 meters.
You mentioned some impressive numbers. What are the key details investors should be paying attention to?
Well, take a look at some of the high-grade intervals they hit. 2.00 gram TAO over 64 meters, including 5.79 gram TAO over 9 meters, and 2.68 gram PAO over 12.5 meters. They also intersected 1.90 gram T over 48 meters, including 4.19 gram T over 7.5 meters, and 2.47 gram T over 10.5 meters.
Omai Gold Mines CEO Elaine Ellingham said, "This drilling confirms a major growth opportunity at Omai and supports the inclusion of Gilt Creek in our updated mine plan." Those are serious numbers that could have a major impact on their production outlook.
Absolutely. And let's not forget the 38 separate occurrences of visible gold identified between 442 meters and 11,139 meters depth.
Wow.
This isn't just potential, it's a clear indication of the richness of this deposit.
Next up,
we're
switching gears to the world of technology with Baylin Technologies, Inc.
All right.
Listed on the TSX under BYL and on the OTCQB under BYLTF. They just announced a significant order for their solid-state power amplifiers.
This $1.975 million order came through their subsidiary, Advantech Wireless Technologies, and it's for a major overseas national broadcaster.
Got it.
This comes on the heels of a previous $930,000 order from the same customer in November 2023.
It sounds like Baylin is establishing itself as a go-to provider in this market.
For sure.
What's driving this demand for their technology?
Baylin is at the forefront of developing high-powered equipment for satellite communications.
Okay.
As the demand for more bandwidth and specialized communication systems grows, companies like Baylin are well-positioned to capitalize on this trend.
In a statement, Baylin CEO Leighton Carroll said, "To see our Canadian-made products selected and sold to an influential international broadcaster speaks volumes to the unique quality and capabilities of what we design and produce at Advantech. As modes of communication become higher powered and more specialized, Baylin plans to capitalize on its position as a leader in high-powered equipment to drive this innovation cycle.
It's clear that Baylin has a strong understanding of where the market is headed, and they're investing in the technology to meet those future needs.
For our last stop today, we're heading to northwestern Quebec.
All right.
Abcourt Mines, Inc., which trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under ABI and OTCQB under ABMBF, has some exciting news from its sleeping giant mine.
They've hit high-grade gold again. Their latest drilling campaign returned an impressive result of 171.5 grant gold over 0.5 meters.
Nice.
This is particularly significant because Abcourt is currently working on updating mineral resources and preparing an economic pre-feasibility study for the mine.
These results could have a major impact on the future of the sleeping giant mine.
Absolutely.
Are there any other highlights from the drilling program that investors should be aware of?
Absolutely. Keep in mind, this is just one of many impressive intercepts from their drilling.
Okay.
They also hit 126.5 gram Brant over 0.8 meters in hole 29-284 and 39.5 gram Brahma Brant over 1 meter in hole 29-285, including 68.58 gram Meline over 0.5 meters.
It seems like they're consistently finding high-grade gold in this deposit.
It does.
What does this mean for the company's plans for the sleeping giant mine?
Well, they're definitely on the right track with their strategy. Abcourt Mines Superintendent of Geology Mohammed Haytham Benia said, "The underground drilling carried out at Sleeping Giant since December 2023 has increased our mineral resources and better defined them. We are taking the right steps to awaken this great potential."
It seems like they're very optimistic about the future of this project.
They have every reason to be.
And in a statement, Abcourt Mines CEO Pascal Hamelin said, "These results reinforce that confidence in the mine's future. Our team is focused on unlocking the full value of Sleeping Giant through strategic exploration and development."
That's great. It's remarkable how these companies, often overlooked in favor of larger, more established names, are making such significant advancements.
It really highlights the importance of keeping an eye on the small cap market.
Right.
You just never know where the next big breakthrough is going to come from. But before we move on, let's take a moment to recap some of the key takeaways from today's news.
Okay, sounds good.
Starting with Happy Belly Food Group. Their aggressive expansion into the health-focused QSR sector is a clear signal of their intent to become a dominant player.
Yeah.
1 or 10 locations across Canada and a partnership with a veteran franchise developer like Stephen Travers that speaks volumes about their commitment to growth and their strategic approach.
For sure.
And then there's PyroGenesis,
Yeah.
tackling a global challenge head-on with their innovative plasma technology.
Oh, that's right.
Their contract with Norsk Hydro, one of the world's largest aluminum producers, could be a pivotal moment for the entire industry.
It could.
If they can successfully implement this technology and significantly reduce carbon emissions, it could have a ripple effect across the globe.
Absolutely.
Omai Gold Mines is a company that's caught my attention today.
Yeah.
Their latest drilling results at the Gilt Creek deposit are nothing short of extraordinary.
Really impressive.
A 774-meter interval of gold mineralization, including those high-grade intercepts, that's the kind of discovery that can transform a company's prospects. It'll be very interesting to see how this plays out as they update their mine plan.
I agree.
Baylin Technologies is another company making waves, this time in the world of satellite communications.
Definitely.
Their recent order for solid-state power amplifiers from a major international broadcaster speaks to the growing demand for their high-powered equipment as communication systems become more complex and demand more bandwidth.
Yeah.
Baylin is well-positioned to capitalize on this trend.
For sure.
And last but not least, we have Abcourt Mines with their continued success at the Sleeping Giant mine.
Right.
Their latest high-grade gold discovery further reinforces the potential of this project.
Yeah.
They're clearly committed to unlocking its full value through strategic exploration and development.
Absolutely.
So for our listener who might be new to the world of small cap investing,
Okay.
what's the biggest takeaway from all this news?
Well, the small cap market offers incredible opportunities for growth and innovation, but it's also a space that requires careful research and due diligence.
Right.
Don't just jump into an investment because of a flashy headline.
Yeah.
Take the time to understand the companies, their technologies, and their management teams. Look beyond the hype and focus on the fundamentals.
That's such important advice.
It is.
It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a new discovery or a big contract win.
Right.
But it's crucial to step back and assess the risks before making any investment decisions.
Exactly. And remember, diversification is key.
Okay.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and companies to mitigate risk.
We've covered a lot of ground today, and I'm sure our listeners are eager to delve deeper into some of these companies.
Oh, sure.
There's certainly a lot to digest. Which company stood out to you the most?
That's a tough one. There's so many exciting developments, but I'd have to say
There's definitely something here for every investor, from those seeking growth potential to those looking for companies tackling major global challenges.
Omai Gold Mines, their drilling results are truly remarkable, and the potential scale of that deposit is intriguing. But all of these companies are worth a deeper look.
And that's the beauty of the small cap market. It's a constant source of innovation and excitement. There's always something new to discover and explore.
Absolutely.
Speaking of exploring, don't forget that Agoracom is your go-to source for all things small cap.
Right. We're constantly scouring the market for the most promising companies and bringing you the insights you need to make informed decisions. So be sure to check out our Spotify channel for more in-depth coverage and analysis.
We're here to guide you through the complexities of the small cap world and help you uncover those hidden gems that have the potential to generate significant returns.
But remember, investing always carries risks. Do your own research consult with a financial advisor if needed, and make sure you're comfortable with the level of risk you're taking on.
And most importantly, stay curious. The small cap market is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to learn. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop learning.
Well said. I think that's a great note to end on.
That's all the time we have for today. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the exciting world of small cap companies. Until next time, happy investing.